Hi, Cindy Haas for Integrative Dental Concepts. Today I would like to talk about what it means to be holistic and why is it that anyone would choose to do this. Oftentimes when we think of people who call themselves holistic, we think of kind of a hippie holdover from the 60s that's a little bit out of step with mainstream, kind of marching to the beat of a different drummer. Certainly nothing wrong with that. The hippie movement really was very instrumental in getting us started with the whole organic food movement and many other things that have been very, very important. One of the things that we think of with holistic has to do with treating everything as the whole rather than breaking it up into individual parts. And whatever you do to one part will definitely have an effect on the other parts. So whatever we would want to be doing in the mouth, we would want not to have an adverse reaction on the rest of the body. Therefore, using products that are not harmful if they're swallowed or products that would be cause any ill effect to the rest of the body would be more desirable. When we think of the holistic products, we also have to think about what happens to them even if we use them in our mouth, such as a toothpaste and the mouthwashes and fluorides and so forth, and then spit them into the sink, down the drain they go, and they eventually will end up out in the ecosystem. Our sewage treatment plants and our water treatment plants are not equipped to break down all these chemicals that we're expelling into them. So all of these chemicals end up being out into the ecosystem, and it's really not advantageous for them to be there. It doesn't help the water, it doesn't help the air, it doesn't help the wildlife, and it actually has a detrimental effect. So we really want to be thinking of using as many holistic products as we can in as many areas of our life as we can, including whatever we choose to use in our mouth.